Hey guys, welcome back. For this one, I'm going to teach you guys how to zoom in and out of the page. All right, because nobody wants to work when your page is this far away, way. All right, so what we want to do is we want to be able to adjust how far in we're working. And we don't want to work like this either. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to zoom in and out of the page. What you want to focus on is this little area on the bottom right here. All right. Now it's going to have three main parts. Let me just correct this so we can see. All right. So the first part is the minus. All right. The second part is the positive. And then you have the slider in the middle. All right. So let's start with the buttons. The minus button lets you zoom out like so. All right. And the positive lets you zoom in. As you can see, the slider is moving left and right. Alright, now if you don't want to use these buttons, you can also use the slider in the middle, which works similar to the sliders on the left and right to do vertical and horizontal scrolling. Right, and as you click and drag it, it's going to have different levels of zoom. Alright, hope I'm not making any of you guys sick. Now, there is another way to do zoom, and you'll notice that right next to these buttons is this number. And all you want to do is click on that, like so, and it's going to bring up the zoom window. From here, you can select preset values. So you can do, I like working on 200%, so you do 200, or you like 100, or you can zoom just to the page width, all right, to the text width, the whole page, and so on. Or you can put in your own value, all right. So there's many options. You can use that, all right, and that's how you scroll. No, not scroll. That's how you zoom in and out of the page. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.